So now I'm free to not worry about my savings account, and so through PayPal I got my summer skincare from Avon. And one of the things I love about Avon is they have these cancer. I mean, it could be anything. It could be earrings, it could be bracelets, it could be slippers. And I try to get, I haven't bought Avon, OMG. I mean, we're talking like maybe 3 years at least. But I put in my order since I'm not getting Mary Kay anymore. I mean, if they would have at least saved my list, you just pay $30 to join again. But they didn't save my list, and I was like, forget it. And I love it because it's got a mirror effect. It's really, really cool, and it's pink. It's got the little cancer symbol. And I don't like spending more. I have spent $20 on sunglasses before, if they, cover the sides. I don't like spending more than 10 anymore because they wind up breaking or I lose them. I'm usually extremely careful with my things, but lately I've been losing things. And it's, just chalk it up to, becoming senile and old. So they donate money to cancer, I think 20%. These were 15. I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. They donate money to cancer. I'm going to do it. I really, really love these. I really, really love it. I mean, right now, they got to be clean. They get very dirty very easily. So anyway, I did that.